Let's once again talk about the fire tragedy that has rocked the national capital. 21 people who have been killed after this massive blaze that broke out at a multi-story hotel in Delhi's Malviya Nagar. Very congested area that we are looking at it yesterday morning, where 37 others who were rescued and rushed to the hospital for treatment. And out of the 21 killed, mostly 11 of them were said to be foreign nationals, while 10 of them were Indians, and one whole family of Indian nationals which has been wiped out. Now, in the action which has been initiated, the Delhi mayor has directed the MCD commissioner to conduct an investigation to submit a report within 3 days. Meanwhile, the owner of the hotel, Lavkesh Bajaj, has been arrested after being on the run, and all eyes will be on the police before he is produced before the court later today. Even as the investigation that has been gathering pace, there seems to be glaring safety violations that are now coming to light. Now, sources suggest that the hotel that allegedly operated on 25 rooms, despite permission only being given for 6, had only one entry and exit point, stood dangerously close to a transformer. There were narrow corridors, small windows and cramped exits and hanging wires that are believed to turn the escape into a challenge. We saw those gut-wrenching visuals of people there who were trapped inside the building attempting to rescue themselves, to fall off and jump from second and the third story of the building. Now, as far as the bed and breakfast license, the alleged violations is also something which is being investigated. In a breaking development, what we are learning as far as the owner is concerned, what has now been said that he fled because the death toll began to rise and fled out of fear. Now, this seems to be an admission that he seems to have done before the police, according to information that we are picking up, that when the fire broke out, the owner fled the scene instead of helping and reaching out to the victims there who were trapped in his building. Now, this seems to be an admission that also is reportedly coming in, that the owner has now accepted that there was no fire NOC. However, he now seems to be also distracting the agencies to say that he wasn't the one who was solely running the operations of this said hotel. So, Shivam, multiple properties, what is being said, were run by the same owner, but he continued to maintain a very limited role. Is that an explanation coming in from his side? Connecting with Shivam because he's there at the site where this unfortunate blaze that was reported 24 hours ago, and 24 hours into, as far as this tragedy is concerned, the owner who has now been arrested, he's been taken into custody after being on the run. He comes from a very posh area and from a building there in Saket, living a life of luxury. But Saket, what happens to those people who have lost their lives? Because now that seems to be the very key aspect of what we are now learning. In the police's investigation case, Shivam, it is being learned that he's admitted that there was no fire NOC. Now, the details of the FIR, which has also been accessed, stringent sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita that has now been invoked, and the owner now faces serious charges of culpable homicide. And that has now been invoked with arson-related charges as well, fire negligence charge. And this has now been invoked. As far as the legal news around the owner is concerned, that's going to and bound to tighten. Well, Shivam, if you can hear me now, what are we now looking as far as the FIR and the sections that have now been made part of the FIR under police action? Well, what is being said, let's put out the details of what all we know, because sections amounting to 105, culpable homicide, not intentional, that refers to an act of resulting in the death of the person. And we are now looking at other sections as well, like 326 Part G, causing damage to property. And also there are other sections that are 324 Part 5 of the BNS, that is provisions which is related to mischief causing damage. Let's in the meantime talk about the heroes there, the locals there, the residents there. Even before the fire brigade could reach on time, the eyewitnesses have been revealing what happened and what unfolded in front of their eyes, how they attempted themselves to get inside the building to pull out the trapped people inside that hotel who were crying for help.
तो मैं नहीं पहुंचा था, बट लेकिन थोड़ी जब बाहर आग निकल गई थी तभी पहुंचा था। मैंने देखा कि बहुत तेज आग लग रही है और यहाँ पे पुलिस और जो ये फायर ब्रिगेड थोड़े लेट पहुंची थी, बिकॉज क्या जाम लगने की बताया था कि वहां से पहुंचती है नेहरू प्लेस से, तो लेट आई थी। ये हाल तो बहुत तेज आग निकल रही थी, यहाँ से लोग कूद रहे थे फटाफट। यहाँ पे पुलिस थी, बाद में थोड़ी सी आई थी, और वो फायर ब्रिगेड तो बहुत ही लेट आया था। बट ये था कि माहौल ये था कि लोग सीढ़ी लगा रहे थे, गद्दा बिछाया, यहाँ गद्दे वाली दुकान है, उनकी गद्दे की दुकान रजाई लेकर के लोगों ने, फायर ब्रिगेड ने तुरंत पानी बुझाने की कोशिश किया। बुझाने के बाद देन उसके बाद क्या कहते हैं वो किया है, निकाला है लोगों को। हाँ, जो नजदीक से थे वो कूद गए वो। हाँ, कोई न्यूज वाला 4 PM है, वो उसने बहुत जल्दी पहुंची थी, वो सारा दिखा रही थी।
All right. As far as the FIR is concerned and stringent sections of the BNS that has now been made part of the FIR, let's connect with Priyank on this information that has been coming in. So Priyank, action there. However, this is coming at a time that after 21 people have lost their lives in this tragedy. So what are we now looking at the actions, the sections that has now been invoked in the FIR?
See, Amita, the sections are related to, death due to negligence death, because there have been series of lapses which has been done by the accused side. What is very important to be seen that there is a multi-level probe which has been initiated in this particular matter, starting from the office of the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, who also had a high-level meeting yesterday along with all the stakeholders from the municipal department to the Delhi police to the Delhi government. He has also initiated an inquiry which should be across the national capital, where these kind of flouting norms, BNBs, should be identified. The next level of inquiry has been initiated from the Delhi government side, where the Home Minister of Delhi, Ashish Sood, had also instructed the district magistrate to conduct this kind of searches at different locations so that these kind of faulty BNBs can be identified. Going to more level, the mayor has also constituted a committee which should come up with the facts within 3 days of time period regarding this particular incident. While the Delhi police has arrested the accused, and what accused has also stated, like you were also mentioning, that they have been looking for one Jay Mishra, who was the manager. This is like shifting the blame on the accused side to other individuals.
Yes.
What we know that the accused wife is also one of the key suspect in this. Yesterday she wasn't arrested, but looking at the manner Delhi police had opened the lookout circular against him, it is quite clear that she will also be subject to questioning. But
right.
Jay Mishra's being on the run is another factor for which Delhi police is probing this case. Whether
Yes.
he
We'll come to that breaking update, Priyank, but thanks for the information as far as the FIR and the police investigation that has been taking place as far as in Delhi fire tragedy, because the anger and the grief that continues to mount. And, out of those 21 people, 10 of them were Indian nationals who unfortunately lost their lives. And there was one family that completely has been wiped out.
उनके हमारे दामाद जी थे, वो उनके पापा जी बीमार थे 3-4 दिन से मैक्स हॉस्पिटल में ICU में। तो उनको, उनकी मम्मी भी वहीं थी, हमारी बेटी भी वहीं थी, उनके दोनों बच्चे भी वहीं थे। उन्होंने वहीं होटल लेके रह गए। वो कल तो परली तरफ होटल में थे, इससे पहली नाइट में, और कल वो उनने शिफ्ट कर दिया बॉडी उनको, हमारे समधी साहब को, दूसरे वार्ड में। तो उन्होंने होटल बदल लिया, रात को इधर 2 होटल ले लिए, 2 रूम लिए। अभी यहाँ रह गए थे, अब सूर्य हादसा हो गया। उनने फोन किया है, बेसमेंट में फंसे वो हमारे दामाद जी। अब उनने फोन किया कि मैं यहाँ फंस गया हूँ, मेरे को किसी तरह निकालो। 8:45 उन्होंने फोन किया उसको, अपने भैया को। वो बोला हम यहीं हैं, नजदीक ही हमारे हैं। वो जाके उनने उसको निकाला है, उन दोनों को निकाला है, लेकिन दोनों बॉडी के रूप में निकाला। वहाँ पुलिस नहीं आई, फायर ब्रिगेड नहीं आई, वो 2 घंटे बाद आई सब।
Well, the family that has raised serious questions over the emergency response as the investigation into the incident of the fire tragedy in Delhi continues. We're going to get you more on that.